Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar Lesson.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia.
Today, you will learn this, that, these, and those in just 3 simple ideas.
3 ideas. That's it. And after this, you will never point at the wrong thing again.
One time in a shop, I pointed at a shelf far away and said, "Can I have this one?" The shop worker looked so confused.
This was the wrong word for something so far away.
It happens to everyone, but today we fix it, right now.
We will give you one simple system. Use it anywhere. In shops, at home, in a classroom, even when pointing at food on a big dinner table.
One system, so many places. Ready?
Here is the big picture. Demonstratives point to something specific. They tell us if a thing is near or far, and if it's one thing or many things.
That's it. 2 small questions in your mind. Near or far? One or many? Simple, right?
Very simple and very useful.
There are only 4 words in this whole topic. This, that, these, those.
4 words, small words, but so important for clear communication.
We will build this step by step with easy examples.
And later, if you want the tricky details, we will add those too.
But remember, even the basic idea already helps you sound more natural.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. What is a demonstrative?
A demonstrative is a word that points to something. It shows exactly which thing you mean.
Without it, sentences feel vague and unclear. Give me pen sounds strange and incomplete.
Give me this pen sounds clear and complete. We know exactly which pen you mean.
Demonstratives work like a pointing finger built right into your sentence.
They can go before a noun, like this book, or they can stand alone, like this is my book.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. This is my.
Now, finish the sentence with any object near you.
Good job. You just used your first demonstrative.
Before step 2, one small tip. Demonstratives always answer 2 questions. Is it near or far? Is it one thing or many things?
Keep those 2 questions in your mind, and this whole topic becomes very easy.
Good tip. Now, let's continue.
Step 2. This, one thing, close to you.
We use this for one single thing that is physically near you right now. This apple is sweet. The apple is in your hand or very close by.
This is my phone. The phone is right here next to you or in your hand.
I love this song. It's playing right now, close to us.
This coffee is too hot. It's in front of you on the table.
One object close by. That is the whole idea behind this. Give me an example, Jack.
This chair is comfortable. I'm sitting on it right now.
Simple, clear, and very easy to picture.
Step 3. That, one thing, far from you.
We use that for one single thing that is farther away from you. That building is very tall. It's across the street, not next to you.
That car is beautiful. It's parked somewhere in the distance.
One object far away. That is the whole idea behind that. What was your mistake with this rule, Jack?
My story from the beginning. I said this one about a shelf far away in a shop. I should have said that one.
A very common mistake, especially at the start of learning English. We all make these mistakes at first.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 4. These, many things, close to you.
We use these for more than one thing that are physically near you. These shoes are new. The shoes are on your feet right now, close to you.
These flowers smell amazing. They're right here in your hands or on the table beside you.
These cookies are delicious. They're in front of you on a plate.
Plural and close. That is the whole idea behind these. Notice something, Jack. These is simply the plural form of this.
Exactly. This apple becomes these apples. One small change, this to these, shows more than one close by.
Step 5. Those, many things, far from you.
We use those for more than one thing that are farther away from you. Those birds are flying south. The birds are far away in the sky.
Those mountains look beautiful. They're across the valley, in the distance.
I remember those days from my childhood, far in the past.
Plural and far. That is the whole idea behind those.
And just like before, those is the plural of that.
That car becomes those cars. Same small change, showing many things far away.
Step 6. The 4-word chart all together.
Let's put the 4 words side by side so the whole pattern becomes clear.
This, singular, near. That, singular, far.
These, plural, near. Those, plural, far.
1 word for each combination, near or far, singular or plural. 4 boxes, 4 words.
This pen is mine. That pen over there is yours. These pens are new. Those pens over there are old.
Once this chart is clear, in your mind, this entire topic becomes automatic. Step 7. Demonstratives before a noun.
Demonstratives often sit directly before a noun, describing it closely.
This book is interesting. That restaurant serves great food. These shoes fit perfectly. Those mountains are stunning.
In this role, they work almost like adjectives, giving extra information about the noun.
I really enjoy this weather. That movie made me cry last night. These instructions are confusing. Those rules seem unfair.
In every example, the demonstrative gives location and number to the noun that follows. Step 8. Demonstratives standing alone.
Demonstratives can also stand completely alone without any noun following them.
This is delicious. That was a great movie. These are mine. Those look expensive.
In this role, the demonstrative becomes the subject or the object of the whole sentence by itself.
This is exactly what I wanted for my birthday. That was such a funny joke. These are my favorite shoes. Those are not mine.
No noun needed at all. The demonstrative carries the full meaning on its own. What was your struggle, Mia, with using demonstratives alone?
I used to always add an extra noun out of habit. This is a this thing, which obviously makes no sense.
I used to forget them completely and just say, is delicious, instead of this is delicious.
We all make these mistakes at first. It's part of learning.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 9. Demonstratives in introductions.
There's a special common use for this and these when introducing people.
This is my friend Sarah. These are my parents. We use them even on the phone.
On the phone, we say, "Hi, this is Mia speaking," not "that is Mia speaking," even though you can't physically see each other.
Let me introduce you. This is my brother, Tom. These are my classmates from university.
Once you notice this pattern, introductions in English feel much easier and more natural.
Step 10. Demonstratives and time.
Demonstratives don't just describe physical distance, they also describe distance in time.
This week has been busy, near in time. That year was difficult for me, far in the past.
These days, everyone uses smartphones, near in time. Those days feel like a different lifetime, far in the past.
Near in time uses this or these. Far in time uses that or those. The exact same pattern applied to time instead of space.
Step 11. Quick practice with real examples.
Let's try a simple game. I will describe a situation. You give me the correct demonstrative.
Ready? 1 apple in your hand right now.
This apple.
Several birds flying far away in the sky.
Those birds.
One building across the street.
That building.
Several flowers sitting right beside you.
These flowers.
Great job! You're getting faster already. Try this game yourself with objects around your room right now.
This is the best practice. Thinking quickly again and again. Your brain remembers better when you practice actively, not only read.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our main idea was this and these for things close to you, that and those for things far away. Singular uses this and that, plural uses these and those.
Everything after that, introductions, time expressions, standing alone, these are helpful details.
The basic idea is enough for almost every sentence.
Good. Now let's add one more bonus part.
Step 12. This and that for feelings and reactions.
Sometimes we use this or that to react to something someone just said or did.
That's amazing. This is unbelievable. That's so kind of you.
Usually, that refers to something someone else just said or did. This refers to something happening right now, around you.
This small emotional use appears constantly in everyday natural conversation.
Step 13. Put it all together.
Now, let's build a few full sentences.
Listen to my example. This coffee is delicious, but that cake on the other table looks even better. These plates are clean, but those ones in the sink still need washing.
Listen to my example. That was such a wonderful trip last year. This year, we're planning something even bigger. These photos remind me of it, but those old ones from years ago are still my favorite.
See, we used all 4 demonstratives naturally in the same short story.
Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels confusing.
That is the perfect balance.
See? Easy. Simple rules, clear sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar all at once. You just need clear, simple practice.
And a little bit of patience helps too.
Step 14. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. Fill in the blank. Blank book in my hand is very interesting.
Question 2. Fill in the blank. Blank mountains far in the distance look amazing.
Question 3. Fill in the blank. Can you pass me blank salt, please? Imagine it's right next to you.
Question 4. Fill in the blank. Blank shoes over there by the door are not mine.
Question 5. Correct the mistake. I love that song we're listening to right now.
Question 6. True or false? These is the plural form of this.
Now, check your answers with a friend or write them in the comments below.
Say your sentences out loud in front of a mirror, or while you make your coffee, or while you walk.
This is the best practice. Speaking out loud again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you speak, not only think.
So, don't be shy. Try it right now, after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
This, for one thing, close to you.
That, for one thing, far from you.
These, for many things close to you.
Those, for many things far from you.
They can describe a noun or stand completely alone.
They also describe distance in time, not only space.
6 small rules, 1 simple system.
But remember, you only truly need the first rule, near versus far, one versus many.
The rest, add slowly over time as you feel ready.
You don't need every detail today. Choose the rules you understand best.
Maybe you only remember 2 rules today. That is perfectly okay.
Next week, maybe you add one more rule. Slowly, you build full confidence.
Learning grammar is not a race. It's a walk, one small step at a time.
I love that idea.
If you are speaking and pointing at something, feel the distance and choose your word naturally.
If you are writing about time, ask yourself, is it close to now or far in the past?
It depends on the moment. Feel the meaning and choose your word.
That is a very smart tip.
Before we finish, let's talk about this topic one more time.
Demonstratives are not scary ideas.
They are helpers.
Helpers that point to exactly what you mean without any confusion.
And when you use them correctly, people understand you instantly.
No more pointing at the wrong shelf in a shop.
Just clear, natural, confident English.
It all starts with one small, simple question. Is it near or far? Is it one or many?
So remember, keep it simple.
Practice daily.
And smile.
A smile makes learning more fun, too.
Remember my story from the beginning? Can I have this one? About a shelf far away in a shop?
I remember. It made me smile.
But now, if someone asks me about demonstratives, I don't freeze anymore.
Because now you have a system, a simple structure in your head.
Exactly. And now you have that system too.
Yes, all of our listeners do too.
So next time you speak or write, take a breath and think.
Then just ask yourself, is this close or far? Is it one or many?
You will surprise yourself with how well you can do it.
I believe in you, our dear listeners.
We really do.
We mean it.
So here's your challenge right now.
Pause this video.
And say 4 sentences, one with this, one with that, one with these, and one with those.
Go on. Try it now. We'll wait. Did you do it? Great job.
That's it. You just did the hardest part. Everything else gets easier from here.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic is fun.
It really does. This was a great episode.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Grammar Lesson.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our channel.
And please share it with a friend who is also learning English.
We want to help as many people as we can.
And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comment section below.
Write 4 sentences using this, that, these, and those about objects around you right now.
For example, this laptop is old. That painting on the wall is beautiful. These notes are mine. Those books on the shelf belong to my sister.
You can write anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and check your demonstratives.
It will be so much fun reading all your examples.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure, as always.
Stay curious and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun grammar episode.
And remember, choosing the right demonstrative makes your English crystal clear.
This, that, these, those. Your system forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Jack.
Bye, Mia.